You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this type of molecule. If you want to learn more confusing names from science, from chemistry, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Terpenes is the British English pronunciation. Terpene, American English pronunciation. How to pronounce terpene. That's singular in the plural. Terpenes, terpenes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.